Reverse mortgage is a trust business, but its operations are still largely manual. Many lenders rely on homegrown systems, fragmented workflows, and human coordination. It works, but at the cost of speed, consistency, and control. With shrinking margins, aging underwriting teams, and rising regulatory scrutiny, the current operating model is becoming unsustainable. The next phase isn't just digital, it's intelligent. AI is enabling lenders to modernize safely, without replacing their core systems or disrupting live operations. From smarter document intake and validation to underwriting co-pilots that highlight risks, AI reduces rework, improves consistency, and strengthens compliance. AI in QA and AI-assisted development really accelerate change, with automated test generation, synthetic data, and predictable release impact. So yeah, systems evolve faster without increasing risk. Layered on existing systems, AI agents move beyond RPA, orchestrating workflows, understanding context, and enabling truly intelligent operations. The result? Shorter cycle times, stronger audit trails, and a better borrower experience, all while keeping human control right at the center. If you're a reverse mortgage or niche lender, start with a 20-minute discussion. Changepond helps you modernize around your core and ahead of the curve.